Hello kids, today we are going to read simple and easy sentences started with I see. So let's start the video. I see a van. I see a van. I see a ball. I see a ball. I see a crab. I see a crab. I see a hut. I see a hut. I see a car. I see a car. I see a bag. I see a bag. I see a cap. I see a cap. I see a dog. I see a dog. I see a pet. I see a pet. I see a kite. I see a kite. I see a sun. I see a sun. I see a gift. I see a gift. I see a flowers. I see a flowers. I see a panda. I see a panda. I see a train. I see a train. I see a drum. I see a drum. I see a turtle. I see a turtle. I see a rainbow. I see a rainbow. I see a castle. I see a castle. Come on kids, let's have some quick revision. I see a van. I see a bag. I see a turtle. I see a cap. I see a car. I see a dog. I see a rainbow. I see a ball. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Till then, bye.